Hello, this is Lucy Hafen. I work at a Montessori charter school. I work with students K through 6th grade, and this is week 4 video observation journal prompt, reflecting on the evidence-based practices discussed in the IRIS module. So out of the ones that were listed, there are several that I was familiar with, most of them actually, and some of them I am peripherally aware of and I might use it more casually, but I would like to get some more explicit training on how to really get the most out of those kinds of evidence-based strategies. But some of the ones that I use more regularly, well, one of them is for social groups. I use a lot of social narratives and to teach students how to manage their impulse control and self-regulation. For self-management, I use behavior contracts that where there's questions on a form and they fill it out 2 different times a day, just before lunch and before the end of the day. And then they have to read the questions and answer them. And then their answers need to align with the teacher's answers. So it's kind of a way for them to help be more self-aware and to help monitor their own behavior to make sure that they are doing the things that they should be doing. And I adjust the questions according to the student's needs, and they can earn some bonus minutes too for answering a bonus minute question. And so that allows them to earn activity time. And sometimes parents are able to add incentives as a result of the results that that aligns with student performance at school. So which is very, very helpful. For this year, I have a student using PECS. I haven't ever used that before previously, but this student is more of a Montsevere student, and I have seen them start from the level 1 where they really have no picture discrimination at all, and now she's at a level 3 and she can do it with persistence and distance, and now she's just moving forward with it and being able to communicate more and more. So that's been really exciting to see how PECS works, and it's awesome. Love it. And also for I don't know, just most of them, I just think there's a lot of really good things. What I would say is scripting. I'd say I do more casually. I would like to have things written down and do it more explicitly with certain students with autism, because I think they would really benefit from that. But I should probably educate myself a little bit more to figure out how to implement that more in a more structured way. So I'd like to look into that. I think pivotal response training is awesome. I use like discrete trial training. I've been starting that with my severe students that I have this year. Like normally I'm a resource teacher, but now I'm doing mod severe and resource, so it's like I've had to add some different skills to my toolbox. So that's been exciting. And yeah, video modeling I do once in a while too. There's lots of good things out there. As far as the IRIS module, I was impressed with like Tyler, the mom seemed like at first kind of like a little bit alarmed about how hard it was to do ABA at first, and then she kind of like started to see the benefit of it, which is really exciting, because I think there's a lot of talk out there that is not so pro ABA, and a lot of parents come in, well, not a lot, but some of them come in with like, they're like anti-ABA, don't want anything to do with it. And I think that from what I hear from those people that say they don't like it, I can't understand why they don't like it. It seems like they don't like it when it is implemented ineffectively, as in a punitive way. And of course, I don't think anybody would agree with that, but I do think that I have seen amazing gains made using ABA strategy, and not just with the special education population. I think, like, more or less, I could see how I've done certain things in ABA style with my own children growing up, as they grew up. So I think that there's benefit to that, and I think that some parents have a hard time seeing the struggle, and so sometimes they get confused about whether that's appropriate or not, or how, or when it's not implemented correctly. That could be confusing. So anyway, that's something that I looked at, and then yeah. Anyways, thank you so much. Have a good night.